Nag-apply ka, everything is perfect, resume, cover letter, hindi mo alam kung bakit hindi ka matanggap. Well, just something to consider. Aware ka ba na pwedeng masabotahe ng email mo ang opportunities mo? Yes, yung email natin would speak volumes about who we are as a virtual assistant. Let's fix that. And let's start with email signature. Number 1, let's make sure to keep it simple. Name, title, contact info, and maybe 1 to 2 socials lang. Huwag na yung buong life story mo ha. Gamitin ang colors at fonts ng business mo or ng personal brand mo. Kahit maliit na tweak, professional agad ang dating. If hindi mo pa alam ano ang branding, may ongoing tayo na free social media management training sa blogimarygroup.com/SMM. So i-check nyo na lang yon. Next, make it actionable. Maglagay ka ng call to action like book a free consult. Check my portfolio. Pero wag naman yung sobra. 1 to 2 lang para hindi spammy. Tapos, always make sure na itetest mo siya sa mobile at desktop because alam mo ba, 70% ng tao nag-check ng email sa phone lang. So, kung messy, medyo bye-bye credibility na kagad. Now, you can use different tools to create an email signature. First, you can go to HubSpot Email Signature Generator, fill in your account information with your full name, make it easy to read and professional. Yung job title mo, example, freelance virtual assistant. Company or brand, optional if you're solo. Phone, email, make it clickable for the mobile users. Website, include your portfolio or booking page, and then social media links like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. 2 to 3 maximum yung suggested nila, but you can go further if bet mo. Customize the design. For the font, pick a clean, professional font. Colors, use brand colors for consistency. You can upload a logo or image, and again, optional, keep it small to avoid clutter. There's a divider in there and layout to choose from that fits your style. Pagkatapos, once you're happy, just click on Create Signature. You can either copy the actual signature or copy the HTML, paste it onto your email, send a test email to yourself, check formatting on desktop and mobile, make sure all links are clickable, and you're done. Next example you can use is Ystamp. So if you open your browser and visit ystamp.com, click on Get Started. You can choose the free plan if you want. This would ensure that your signature is automatically linked to your email account for easy integration. Now, what I do not like about Ystamp is kailangan ka pang pumunta ng website para i-change mo yung email signature mo. But if interested kayo, Ystamp actually offers pre-designed templates and you can just pick one that's clean, professional, and mobile friendly. Just look for templates, logo insertion, social media links, custom color, and I think simplicity wins. Avoid cluttered templates with banners or too many icons. As usual, you just have to put in your name, your job title, company or brand name, phone number, website, or portfolio link, and make sure that everything is accurate and spelled correctly because this, again, is your first impression. Ystamp will also allow you to add your LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or other platforms, and make sure that each link, again, is clickable and opens in a new tab. Once you're done adjusting the fonts, the size to match your personal brand or website, as well as the colors of your name, title, or link, and added your logo, call to action, link to portfolio, you can actually preview your signature on desktop and mobile. So just check on spacing, alignment, and clickable links, and make sure that it looks professional, clean, and easy to read. Next step is for you to choose your email provider. So if you're using Gmail, just choose that. Follow the instructions to integrate the signature directly to your email. And again, test by sending an email to yourself to ensure it displays properly on all devices. And last but definitely not the least, if you guys have Canva, just go to canva.com, log in, search for email signature in the template search bar, pick a template that fits your style, simple, professional, mobile friendly. Again, avoid fancy designs. Replace the placeholder text with your name, role, company, and brand. Add contact information. Add your social media icons. You can even upload your logo or headshot. And ang kagandahan talaga sa Canva is drag and drop lang. So your photo, your logo, i-adjust nyo lang yung size, but make sure na it's visible pero hindi overpowering. And once you are happy with the design, just click on share, click on download, and you can choose either PNG or JPEG for images or PDF for clickable links, and make sure to tick transparent background if you have your logos or icons. Ganun lang kasimple. Imagine spending 10 to 15 minutes now and every email mo professional na kagad ang dating. Now, hindi pa to tapos but pinublish ko na rin and we have a free general virtual assistance training. All you have to do is go to blogimarygroup.com/GVA at makikita nyo na doon real time yung pag-upload ko ng mga videos. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye!